It's a Good Friday, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Happy weekend. It's a beautiful Friday today. It's a little bit warm and I'm very, very happy. I have a blessings from my channel. I'm very, very happy. Okay? Because that is giving me awareness of my sadness and my stress and my thinking, feelings and whatever and etc. Okay, so I'm very, very happy. Thank you from all viewers that what I have. And thank you very much talaga sa mga supported very well na mga vloggers that you are still in my channel from the beginning until now. Thank you so much, and you know who you are, that you are the one to help to gain my channel. Thank you my beginning in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much talaga. And God, I can't giving you everything whatever you need. I'm just always praying that God provided everything whatever in your daily life that you have with your own family, with your own, that while we are still living in this earth. Thank you. And thank you very much talaga. And some blogger also that they are helping and giving a subscriber and the viewers and the supporters in my channel, and to the all people in this world, to all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, to all of us, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Thank you very much. To all my family, side ni nanay and ni tatay, angkan to angkan, I can't mention you one by one na because you know who you are, that you are part of my journey, that while I'm still living in this earth. And ingat tayong lahat. And Home Island, Siargao, Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, Dinagat Island, to all barangays, sitios, lahat buong Mindanao, Luzon, and Visayas, and yun na nga, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And not only, and to the different countries na, as in na to the different countries that we are belong already. Thank you so much that we are still supported. Thank you. And to my employers also, that I'm here still working as a OFW, both side, Madam and Sir. Good luck what you have, and I wish everything will be everything will be okay, and good health, and God knows only who you are. So I'm just praying that all of us, not only with them, to all of us, God will provide everything, and keep safe lagi. Whatever you do, wherever we are, so we are still going and in our daily routine while we are still living in this earth pa. Okay? So I'm just focused pa that one in how long because of my message. And now I'm here outside. Same as usual, I continue healthy. I'm still working before I make my laundry. And si Celine, I finish na Celine to brush her teeth, to wash, and just still later pa when I finish in the balcony, I we eat together, we prepared our breakfast because it's very early pa. It's already what time now? It's 6 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken, 6 o'clock, 7. It's 6:45 early in the morning. Okay. So, now I just mix white a little bit. Thank you. So, starting na tayo. This one is the morning. It's the early morning here. Okay. It's the early morning. Yeah. Ayan na yung favorite places ko dyan. It's very, very nice. Okay. The weather is very, very good. It's warm. Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday to all. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to all of us. Happy Friday. Keep safe lagi. Sa Pilipinas yung tao no work. Kaya ingat-ingat kayo kung nasaan, nag-vacation, nag-relax. Ingat-ingat. Ingat talaga. Go, go, go. Ito ang buhay dito. Work lang. Linis-linis. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much, Lord. Thank you. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you. We are always with us. Kasi mag-washing tayo. Lalagay tayo ng laundry. Para ipag. Kumusta naman kayo? Yung iba nagpa-relax. Iba, continue working, cleaning, lightning. Ito lang ang life. to continue what I have. Tuloy-tuloy lang, makakaraos din. Someday and somehow. Yes, someday and somehow. Thank you again for watching, and bye. God bless us all and more blessings. Keep safe all. May angkan to angkan. Ingat-ingat kayo, Brad. Ingat soul, mga nisis, mga apo, mga in-laws. Ingat-ingat kayo lagi, okay? Okay, ingat. Ingat lagi all. Keep safe and keep safe. Keep safe to all of us that we are still living in this earth. Keep safe.